Today is Friday, May 31st, and this is your forecast for the central United States. You know that on Fridays we dance our way into the weekend. And the weekend forecast does bring some stormy weather in the middle of the country. Right now, it is still mostly along the Front Range, but as the day progresses, it kind of moves out into the Plains states. We also have some wet weather in Texas that will be hugging the Gulf Coast over to Louisiana later on today. So we'll start off by looking at that weather map on this Friday morning. Developing low pressure in the middle of the country. We have a low pressure system along a nearly stationary front here near the coast, that is. There could be some severe weather down here in southeastern Texas over to Louisiana, so we'll watch that area, but there also could be some strong or severe thunderstorms that develop coming out of Colorado and then moving east over Nebraska, Kansas, and Oklahoma. So a couple of areas to watch. And then there are some scattered showers, embedded thunderstorms all the way up into Wisconsin. So over toward Minneapolis and Des Moines, some scattered showers, some thunderstorms, but you head east of that, and actually it's going to be a pretty nice day throughout the Great Lakes and Midwest. Highs in the 70s to maybe near 80. Near 80 in Cincinnati and Louisville, well into the 80s in Nashville, and some showers and storms keeping you a little bit cooler in Memphis with a high right around 80 degrees. Over the next couple of days, the Midwest will tend to be a little bit warmer. We're going to climb into the upper 70s and eventually even some low 80s by the start of the week. And then it looks like maybe a more significant cool down with a strong cold front later next week. We'll worry about that when that comes, because for right now, it looks like there is some nice summery weather on the way. Yeah, it's going to be a little cool in Chicago because of the lake on Saturday. You get away from the lake, it's going to be a gorgeous day. Temperatures in the upper 70s today in D.C. We got low 80s right along the southeast coast, and it looks like we'll peak around 80 in Charlotte. Atlanta 84 today, 87 in New Orleans with some showers and storms. It could be some severe weather, so that's a day to be weather aware in New Orleans. Same for Dallas, especially south of Dallas. And it is still just scorching hot in South Florida. 96 today in Tampa. 83 tomorrow in Charlotte, and on Sunday, same thing, but then early next week it gets even hotter. We actually may see highs near 90 by Tuesday. It'll be near 90 today in Fort Lauderdale. We've been around or just above 90 just about every day. And then you factor in the humidity and it's feeling much hotter than that. So the hot weather continues throughout the entire state of Florida, and I don't see any change anytime soon. Temperatures remain in the upper 80s in Fort Lauderdale right through early next week. So that is your Friday morning weather update. I hope you all have a fantastic weekend, and remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.